Friends, it's Toy World Weekly. I'm Mr. Scruffles.
And I'm Christian. And friends, if you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button down below.
And friends, turn on all the notifications so you'll never miss an upcoming video.
That's right, Mr. Scruffles.
And friends, if you like the video,
please give it a huge thumbs up, share, and comment.
And please give it a full watch, and we'll make sure we do the same for you. Christian, what do we have for the boys and girls today?
We have the new Color Crimp and Curl Series 3 HAiRDOraBLES.
HAiRDOraBLES Series 3 by JustPlay.
Yep.
I love HAiRDOraBLES.
Me too.
All right, Christian, let's open them up.
Let's do it. I can't wait. HAiRDOraBLES, Big Hair, Don't Care. Series 3 Color Crimp and Curl. $39 to collect across Series 3 and 11 surprises inside. Let's open it! Here's our background and our checklist. Number 1. See what's inside. We got our shoes and some stickers. So here's your cute shoes, blue and pink. Number 2. Wonder what's inside this one. Some more stickers. And a little ice box. Number 3. Almost to our doll. I can't wait. Wonder what's inside this one. Maybe another accessory or the hair pull even. We have our beautiful hair clipped. And then we got a sticker. Our last fun bag. We got, I wonder if it's a crimper. We got a crimper. How cool. Let's get our doll out. I wonder if it's Noah. It could be. Noah. Wow, look how beautiful she is. Love her hair. Now we got all of her accessories on her. Now let's read her signature card. Noah. Bedtime unit, relaxation mask. Favorite flower, poppy. Signature dance move, the swim. Let's open up the next one. I wonder who's inside. Looks like we've got the same background. Let's open up number 1. We got some more stickers, and our shoes are inside. Looks like we got some blue boots. Let's open up number 2. Wonder what's in this. We got some binoculars. Ooh. And we got another sticker. Number 3. Let's see what's in here. Should be our hair clip. It is. How cute. And here's our sticker. Now, let's open up our last one bag until our doll. here's our hair tool. Looks like this hair will color change. Let's get our doll out. See who our doll is. It says, let's see what's in hair. Look how beautiful she is. Look at those braids. It looks like we got a cat. Bedtime routine, snuggling with Piper. That's her pet. Favorite flower, tiger lily. And its signature dance move is the funky chicken. Wow.
All right, Christian, what a great unboxing.
Yeah.
I love the HAiRDOraBLeS Series 3 by JustPlay. Christian, which HAiRDOraBLES did you get?
I got Noah and Kat.
Wow, they're so pretty, so pretty. I love their hair.
Me too.
I love the color Crimp and Curl series.
It's amazing.
Friends, join us next time when we unbox something else and check out one of our other HAiRDOraBLE videos. And we'll see you next time.